Today we're going to the Blackberry Festival. This is the festival.
Well, we're at the Blackberry Festival here, and it is a wonderful place. They got lots of arts and crafts everywhere.
It's super small.
Blackberry, yes, it is very tiny.
And there's only 3 items on the menu.
Size doesn't matter.
We are very spoiled.
That's fine. Listen, if you're going to wait, so I'll be spoken.
We got honey. That was the best part of the festival. Homemade honey. Well, why are you laughing?
That was the only good part of the festival.
We have found a beach, and it's burning my feet. It's burning my feet. Horses. It's really hot, which is weird because it's super windy. Didn't expect that. For everyone who likes crab at home. Oh, they're all dead. This is a graveyard of crabs. The video is a lot shorter than normal because last week I was at youth camp up in the mountains and I didn't get back till Friday, so we didn't have a lot of time to do stuff. It was a wonderful experience. I made a lot of friends, got to share about Jesus, and now I'm back. So we should be back to normal next week. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more of our adventures. Bye!